Mook got the keys jumping.
Stay down till I can do what I want. Sacrifice the lot, invest in my own. Yeah. Poverty, it didn't break me at all. Hard times, it only made me stronger. I fell down a lot as times got older, but it only made me smarter. Young nigga waiting on his karma. Bench warmer turn to a starter.
Hey y'all, so this your girl Skinny Genny. I received a package today from Sunshinedelites, located in Los Angeles, and very secure packaging. But she, the owner of the company, reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try some of her products, the company's products, and of course I was like, sure, send them on to me. So this is just a basic unboxing right now. So immediately when I opened it up, I pulled out the bag, and you have the logo on it, and the company information, and where to order and follow them at. So I was really shocked to see that. You can follow them at sunshine_DELITES delights. And their company basically restores moisture in dry, cracked feet and heels. So let's just open it up. And y'all, forgive my nose and everything. When I tell y'all, pollen has been my enemy today. So this is the worst it's been, for real. Oh my God. Okay, I might have to come back and open this. So when I open the bag, I automatically see a nice little card. It's telling me, about their skin products and how their products are 100% organic, all natural, hair and body butter, handcrafted and made to order with more than a touch of love. They sell raw black African soap, aloe butter, shea butter, lemongrass, mango, tango, beer oil, all kinds of stuff. So that's the card. And then it's on the back, is like giving you telling you they can customize your scents or whatever, however you want to do that, right? Next, I have wow, she really hooked me up. But yeah, so they sent me this, I guess this is a foot filer or a heel filer to make your heels, I don't know, to do something to your heels. I'm just gonna go with a heel filer because it's the shape of a heel. She also put some some body butter in here along with hair butter. So hair and body butter, and she put in 3 different scents. One is called Swagg, the other is called Sugga Shea, and the other one is called Sugar Cookie. Let's see how they smell. The packaging is beyond cute, I ain't gonna even lie. Comes in this little bag, has a card with the ingredients along with the directions, their phone number, and where to follow them at, and everything like that. That's the card. It comes with this little scrubber, also a nail file, which is too cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then it comes with these 3 body butters. Okay, this one is the Sugga Shea. I think I'm saying that right. Oh my God, that smells good. That smells really good. This is called the Sugga Shea. I don't know if you guys can see that. Next is the Sugar Cookie. That's how it looks. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There you go. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells just like a sugar cookie too. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm ready to try this one. because I got a feeling this gonna smell super good. This one is called Swagg. It's called Swagg. Let's see. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Oh my God. Honey, this smells good. Swagg. Hair and body butter. 100% organic. And so far, I am impressed. Sunshine Delights. Be smooth, be silky, be shea. Okay, this is whipped shea butter. If I didn't say that. These are whipped shea butter. They smell good. Okay. This is the card. Oh my goodness. I'll look at the card in just a moment. And there's 2 more things in here. Let's see what is in here, because y'all know I be getting excited. All right, this is, I want to say this is some kind of oil for cracked feet. Okay. It says hydrate to restore the appearance of dry, cracked feet, hands, elbows, and knees. Yes. It's medicated. It's specifically for your feet. It is Soul Delight Foot Repair Salve. And like I said, it does restore moisturize. It restores moisture, to cracked feet and heels. And like I said, it does smell medicated, because as soon as I smelled it, my nose opened up even more. So I'm gonna be trying this on my feet, because I ain't gonna even lie. I don't know if it's something that ran in my family or what, but my family, we suffer from dry feet. Dry feet. No matter how much lotion we put on it, dry feet. Okay? Also, she gave me a Mango Tango shea butter. And again, it's hair and body butter. Mango Tango. It is so cute. Look at this. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay, let's see how it smells. Oh, and look at this. Protected, honey. They took time when packaging these items. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. I look at that when someone sends me something to try, or I buy something. I look at packaging, because I want to know that you're actually putting in the work and you're serious about it. That's just me, though. I love packaging. Y'all, this stuff smells so good. If you don't know, now you know. Sunshine Delights in Los Angeles. Okay? When I tell y'all, baby, stopped up where? Did I get on my nose? I want to try this. Oh, yes. I just want to try a little bit. It's very, very, very soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Baby, if you are into natural products, I'm telling you, Sunshine Delights. Yes. I love this whipped shea butter. It is very nice and creamy. They have some very good smells to them. You can't smell the shea or the shea butter. You know, some shea butter, it don't have a smell, but it has a smell. You know what I'm saying? It has a slight smell when you put it on. And Sunshine Delights in Los Angeles, okay? Get at them, okay? They're not paying me to make a video or nothing, because you know I'm gonna give my honest opinion. This shea butter is so silky and smooth, and it smells delightful. See how I did that? It smells delightful, because it's Sunshine Delights. Oh yes, honey, yes. Sabrina, the young lady who reached out to me, thank you so much for reaching out to little old me and let me try these products, because baby, you guys, you guys got yourself something. I promise you that. And in there is a card. Look at this card, y'all. I mean, like, the detail that they put into their products is amazing. People don't do that. Even high-end companies do not even do all of this like they've done. Thank you card. A thank you card, right? I'm going to go ahead and give you guys their number, right? Make sure you order today, okay? Sunshine Delights. Order today. Call them at 424-341-2629 and follow them at sunshine_delights.
Mook got the keys jumping. Stay down till I can do what I want. Sacrifice the lot, invest in my own. Yeah. Poverty, it didn't break me at all. Hard times, it only made me stronger. I fell down a lot as times got older, but it only made me smarter. Young waiting on his karma. Bench warmer, turn to a star.